Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain, effortlessly fuses together a rich tapestry of history and modernity. The city showcases elegant boulevards, grand architecture, and bustling plazas, creating a unique blend of old-world charm with contemporary flair. Visitors can explore world-renowned museums like the Prado and Reina Sofia, marvel at iconic landmarks such as the Royal Palace, and experience the lively atmosphere of Puerta del Sol. Madrid is celebrated for its passionate traditions, from the fiery performances of flamenco to the thrilling spectacle of bullfighting, as well as the fervor of football with Real Madrid. The city welcomes visitors with warm hospitality, vibrant nightlife, and a delectable array of cuisine including tapas and churros. Must-visit destinations in Madrid include the majestic Royal Palace, historic Plaza Mayor, and bustling Puerta del Sol, each offering a captivating glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of this dynamic city.
Some of the best places to visit in Madrid include the Royal Palace of Madrid, Plaza Mayor, Puerta del Sol, Prado Museum, Retiro Park, Gran Via, Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, Temple of Dibad, Reina Sofia Museum, and El Rastro Market. The Royal Palace is known for its grandeur, while Plaza Mayor is a historic square with cafes and street performances. The Prado Museum features works by famous artists, and Retiro Park is a lovely green escape. Gran Via is a bustling street with theaters and shops, while the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium is a must for football fans. The Temple of Dibad offers a unique sunset view, and the Reina Sofia Museum showcases modern art, including Picasso's Guernica. Lastly, the El Rastro Market is a vibrant flea market worth exploring.
When in Madrid, be sure to stop by Sobrino de Botan, recognized as the world's oldest restaurant, where you can savor their renowned traditional roast suckling pig. Another iconic dining destination is Lardy, established in 1839, offering a delightful combination of French haute cuisine and deli-style takeaway options. If you're craving authentic Spanish flavors, make your way to Mercado de San Miguel, a lively gourmet food market showcasing a variety of tempting bites. Indulge in the famous chocolate con churros at Chocolateria San Ginés. To experience local cuisine, head to Casa Revuelta near Plaza Mayor for their delicious fried cod, and then relax at Bodega, a charming tapas lounge providing a cozy atmosphere.
Embark on a culinary journey in Madrid with a variety of dining options to suit your palate. Indulge in a luxurious dining experience at Diver XO, the only 3 Michelin-starred restaurant in the city, where Chef Daybais Munoz crafts a fusion of Asian and Latin American flavors for a decadent tasting menu. For a sophisticated surprise, explore the modernist mansion setting of El Club Allard or sample innovative awful cuisine at La Tasqueria. Immerse yourself in a multisensory dining experience at Paco Roncero Restaurant, which boasts 2 Michelin stars. To savor a taste of history, be sure to visit Sobrino de Botan, renowned as the world's oldest restaurant. Relax and enjoy a leisurely meal at these iconic establishments.
Explore the neighborhood gems and tapa lounges in Madrid, where you can experience the authentic flavors and atmosphere of the local cuisine. Casa Revuelta near Plaza Mayor is known for its cozy ambience and delicious fried cod and vermouth. Bodegas El Mano in Malasana offers traditional tapas like patatas bravas and shrimp burrata. La Paloma in La Latina is a popular spot on Sundays, serving grilled shrimp and vermouth. Mizan del Champanin, located beneath Plaza Mayor, specializes in grilled mushrooms with chorizo. El Economito in Chueca and Literary Quarter is a family-run tapas bar serving regional dishes like oxtail empanadillas and craft vermouth. For a unique experience, visit Corral de la Moreria, a Michelin-starred flamenco venue offering Basque-inspired tasting menus. Gofio in the Literary Quarter serves creative Canarian cuisine with seasonal produce.
Immerse yourself in the vibrant flavors of Madrid by sampling the rich and savory meat and tapas classics that the city is known for. Treat your taste buds to the world-famous jamón ibérico, mouth-watering bocadillo de calamares, traditional tortilla española, and indulgent huevos rotos. Seafood enthusiasts can delight in the fresh and delicious gambas al ajillo and bacalao a la madrilena. Street food aficionados can't miss out on the crispy patatas bravas, creamy croquetas, and flavorful empanadillas, perfect for a quick and satisfying snack. Save room for dessert and indulge in the iconic churros con chocolate at Chocolateria San Ginés, or opt for the anise-flavored rosquillas de San Isidro for a traditional sweet treat. Experience the culinary delights of Madrid in every bite.
Witness flamenco shows, traditional bullfighting culture, and vibrant festivals like San Isidro. Visit the iconic Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, home to Real Madrid, one of the most famous clubs in the world. Madrid's central location makes it ideal for day trips to Toledo, Segovia, or Avila. Here's a visual snapshot of some celebrated Spanish brands headquartered in Madrid, showcasing logos from luxury fashion, streetwear, and heritage labels. Below, you'll find a curated guide explaining why these brands stand out. Top brands from Madrid. Loewe, luxury fashion house. Founded in Madrid in 1846, Loewe is Spain's oldest luxury fashion house and a proud purveyor to the Spanish royal household since 1905. Under creative director Jonathan Anderson, it's become a cult favorite for its refined, quiet luxury aesthetic. Think puzzle, gate, flamenco, and Amazona bags crafted from superior leather.
Ebro Foods, a well-known food processing company based in Madrid, is renowned for its commitment to producing high-quality food products. Through a focus on innovation and excellence, Ebro Foods has solidified its position as a leading player in the industry, offering a wide range of delicious and diverse food options to consumers worldwide. The company's dedication to using premium ingredients and maintaining strict quality standards sets it apart from competitors, making it a top choice for those seeking top-notch food products. With a strong reputation for customer satisfaction and a continued emphasis on creating exceptional products, Ebro Foods remains a standout player in the competitive food processing sector.